In this video, we will go over how you can set up your muting rules for workflows. Muting rules are conditions that users can define so that alert notifications about the violations you have can be silenced during planned maintenance. When the muting rules trigger, the violations still apply, but the notifications don't send. As a user who configures workflows to get notifications about ongoing issues in your system, you'd like to be able to also define how your workflows behave when processing issues with muted incidents. Great news! Now you can. To walk you through the steps on setting up your muting rules in relation to workflows, I'll pass it over to my colleague Ishaq, who will go through a quick demo example. To walk you through the steps on setting up your muting rules in relation to workflows, we'll showcase a quick example. When you want to create a new workflow, you'll see a section called Mute Issues on the workflow page. There are 3 different muting states on the issue level. The first option allows you to fully mute all open incidents in the issue. For example, let's say I have a workflow set up for PagerDuty that contains a specific policy. Now I want the muting rule that I've set to stop notifying PagerDuty because I don't want to wake anyone up in the middle of the night. So I would choose Do Not Send Notifications for fully muted issues for this use case. The second option allows you to have an issue that has at least one open incident that is muted and one open incident that is not muted. The final option allows you to have no muted incidents for an issue. For example, let's say I have a workflow set up for Slack that contains a different policy with muting rules, but want to continue receiving the notification to keep up with any alerts. In this case, I would choose to always send notifications. So what's happening in the background in these 2 examples? Well, even though I have a muting rule with an issue created, one of the workflows is set up to not send notifications to PagerDuty, while the other workflow is going to send notifications to Slack so the team can still check those out when they log back in. Congratulations! Now you've learned how you can use muting rules on your workflows. For further tutorials in AIOps, visit our docs page under New Relic Applied Intelligence. Thank you.